This is how to add bullet points in Overleaf. Go to Overleaf and from your project dashboard, you can choose a project you want to add bullet points, or you can create a new project. For this tutorial, we will create a new project, create blank project. We'll name this as bullet point and just click create. To add a bullet point, we will use itemize. We will add this after our section, / begin. Then we will choose itemize. And here we will add our first item. Let's say first item. And if you want to add second item, just / and use item. And let's say second item, and so on. Okay, we will name this as third item, and we will recompile to see the result. And there you have it. So this is how to add bullet points in Overleaf.